Erection problem. Erectile dysfunction is the major problem faced by many males. Such a problem can even break a relationship and can create problems in developing families. If it is not taken proper care of in time, it might result in severe conditions. For such an erection problem, it is always better to go for herbal remedies. In this video, you will know how to cure erectile dysfunction and sexual problems naturally at home. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app. Make sure you do not miss any health tips. Get email and mobile notifications about upcoming health videos. Get rock hard erection. Herbal oil to get strong erections is the best suggestion for avoiding erectile dysfunction due to excessive pornography. The natural way to solve the matter is always a good idea, as the herbal penis massage oil does not have side effects. Overnight oil, the best natural product for herbal penis massage oil, is always recommended in such situations. 4T Plus capsule is made from natural herbs that quickly eradicate the problem without leaving any negative impact. This supplement works effectively for powerful and harder erections. Herbal oil works productively to heal erectile dysfunction due to excessive pornography and supports individuals to achieve a stronger erection and stay hard for a long time. If you want to know how to get overnight oil and 4T Plus capsules discreetly at home, watch this video until the end. Causes of erectile dysfunction. As per research, it has been found out that about 90% of the causes of erectile dysfunction have evolved from psychological issues. These causes generally vary from difficulties in relations, anxiety in performance, or maybe too much stress. The most probable causes for male impotence are alcohol abuse, overweight, strokes, diabetes, sickness, depression, and atherosclerosis. Vital herbs. The best remedy for such a problem is herbal penis massage oil. They provide an effective outcome as they are made from natural herbs. The top and secure herbal pill that one can use to heal the erection problem is a 4T Plus capsule. Overnight oil is made from Akka Doodh, Kesar, Jaifal, Ghee, Javitri and Long. These natural herbs boost the secretion of testosterone hormone in the body. Males get a higher and better flow of energy towards their reproductive system. Due to the increase of secretion of this hormone, it eradicates all kinds of weakness and infirmities. Thus, the entire system and all the organs get rejuvenated. People can use it without any second thought in mind. Side effect free. They have the highest demand in the online market as made from herbs, and no synthetic chemicals used in them while preparing. The best part of these products is they do not negatively impact or after effect after using for a longer time. Thus, proper diet and exercise should be done to get a better outcome and use these herbal products. The best part is that the 4T Plus capsule is a natural remedy for the erection problem. This herbal supplement increases both stamina and libido. These natural products are made from an advanced formula without using any chemical. Herbal penis massage oil eradicates the erection problem and helps to last longer in bed. Use overnight oil and 4T Plus capsules together, which are the best herbal remedies for ED problems due to excessive pornography. World's finest erectile dysfunction supplements.
%100% herbal ingredients. 100,000 plus happy customers. GMP certified quality. +80 countries presence.
Buy 4T Plus capsule and overnight oil from naturogain.com. The product link is given in the video description. Want more videos like this? Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
If you find this video informative, please give it a like and leave a comment. Also, share the video on social sites to spread knowledge. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related video for more information and health tips.